Talofa. I'm Hedy Bryant and I'm coming to you from the Northern Rivers of New South Wales, Australia, and I'm proud to be contributing to Sowful Journeys. I pledged an amount which goes towards future holiday. I realise that regardless of holidays, I have a strong connection with Samoa. My great-great-grandmother Nor was from Manono. In 2018, my daughter Alana and I had a holiday at Sinalay Reef Resort, and I feel a very strong connection with Samoa. I was more than happy to pledge an amount regardless of having a holiday, because I understand the intersectionality of issues that are affecting people in Samoa. COVID-19, the most recent, has really devastated the people in the island, and rising sea levels due to human-induced climate emergency, and many other things as well. I'm happy to contribute in any way that I can. This was a wonderful way to contribute in lieu of a holiday, and I wish you all well for the future, and I'm just hoping that other people find the way to pledge some money. It doesn't matter how much you have. It's most important to me and to us as human beings to actually reach out through generosity and compassion to actually provide for and support our sisters and brothers who are affected by COVID, by climate change, and at disadvantage compared with us. And so I wish everyone well on this soulful journey, and I do urge you all to consider pledging. It doesn't matter how much you pledge. It can be $100 up to $1,500. As long as you pledge and can see that there will be a significant impact, flow-on effect to the community. So I thank you for the opportunity of making this little video. I just realised I have my little Samoan earrings on today as well, so that's serendipity. Cheers. Thank you very much.